What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at SoFi Technologies. Well, basically, we had a nice uptrend before diving into a range pattern. So it was going up consistently. Now it's kind of going sideways consistently. So the range lows look to be right around $25, and the range highs look to be right around $31, $32. So we're just in a $7 range as right now. We just hit the lows. We hit prior support, bounced up higher, potentially forming a higher low for higher prices, maybe targeting the upper side of the range. Typically in a range, we go from the highs to lows, lows to the highs. So right now it looks like it's targeting for the highs, especially after a nice move up higher. This could be a nice higher low for continuation. So that's what it looks like it's trying to do, something like this. But obviously, you may be below, a downtrend line, right? We can take a trend line off the swing highs, and we did make a lower high technically. And, it could be a price rolling over, right? We can just maybe hit the trend line again and roll over, or price is starting and move down again. So we'll have to wait and see how this higher low develops, and technically lower high develops on the chart. Because right now you can technically draw like kind of two trend lines, something like that. You'd want to see another bounce up higher, but basically it could be getting pinched between these two levels, and then having a sudden breakout. It is in the middle of the range as well, where it's kind of indecisive and choppy. So we'll see how this develops. But basically, it's still bullish, right? It's at the top side of the trend. We are consolidating off the prior all-time high level. So you can see that, we had a peak right over here, a triple top back here in, 2021, right around $24, $25. And then we are trading above it. So it's just trying to turn that level from prior resistance into support, as you see here. So that's a good sign for potential continuation higher. Let's look at some further trend lines. You could take a trend line off this swing low, drag it across. So that fits pretty good. We're still in a macro uptrend as of right now. And this was the prior downtrend here. As you can see here, we broke through it, forming a higher low above the bullish trend line. So as right now, I'd be expecting low 30s and maybe even higher from there for SoFi. Looks pretty good. Looking at the weekly charts, you can see that we're just chopping back and forth at the highs of the trend. And looks like it's finding support from the $25 level, which is a good sign because history shows it was resistance. It was a ceiling, but now it's acting as a floor for now. Looking for continuation higher of this uptrend. If we do break the trend highs, where can we, rally to? Well, let's take a look at a measure move target of a range. So if we do continue higher towards $32 and then we do break that level, the next target would be $39. So about $40 is what you can expect out of a breakout higher, without seeing like a sudden pullback. And then for lower prices, well, invalidation obviously would be continuation towards the downside, breaking the bullish trend line, breaking the $25 level, then all of a sudden we are in a reversal now. So all this is just technically a pullback or a correction for higher prices. But if it starts, picking up steam, picking up momentum, then it starts looking like a reversal. But as right now, it's not qualified to be a reversal because we are still above support. All this is bullish territory, and even if we go to $25, we can bounce off of it and reverse. So all this is still bullish territory. So all that for SoFi today. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.